trading session. Another live trading session. It is Thursday, February 27th, 2025. If you don't know, I do these live trades just to journal my trades. I like to journal my trades. And I found that journaling my trades this way, live video, helps me way better than just writing down. I still write stuff down in my journal, but watching yourself live trade and going back over your trade really helps you. So market opens in about 10 seconds. We did gap up a little bit overnight. Uh, we watching the same levels as yesterday, man. Same levels. That 595 level, 595 on SPY and 599 on Q on the resistance overhead. So we're watching the 599 overhead and the 595 under. We want to see what SPY does around those levels. Hope you guys had a great evening yesterday. We hit it out the park yesterday on Meta Calls. Let's see what we can get today. Let's see where we can find the money at. Like I said, we have been having some pretty good, decent trend days. We kind of reversed yesterday. So I wouldn't be surprised of a chop day. Good morning, Mason. What it do? Good morning. Excuse me. Garbear, good morning. What it do? So yeah, like I said, I know we gonna wait for the open range to break out. That 595 level. Yeah, I'm watching this level close. This is where we hit off yesterday. So this is the level I'm watching at 595. You see, yesterday we got we got over right here, that 595. So we held the 595. So let's see what happens right here on SPY. So y'all know, I wait the first 15 minutes, want to see an open range breakout break. Maxo, what it do? Good morning. I want to see my ORB breakout. And I want to see some kind of continuation, a trend starting. That's where I find my entry. So we're going to let the charts play out, see what we want to do today. If we want to go up or down, you know what I'm saying? Bulls or bears? Who wants to be in control today? That's what we're going to wait on. So let's see what happens. Let's see what's going on. First candle on SPY kind of strong a little bit. Let me get my other chart up here real quick. Nvidia selling off early. Nvidia setting up for puts, but I'm not going to take an aggressive entry today. That is a good little looking move right there. Let's see what happens though. Meta pretty strong to start off. Microsoft pretty strong. Tesla pretty strong this morning. Y'all see Microsoft right there. Look at Nvidia selling off, man. Let's see what happens. Eric, what it do? What it do? What it do? That boy Maxo said Apple calls. Let's look at Apple. Yeah, that was a nice pullback right there. Kind of too early for me to jump in. Not gonna lie, kind of too early for me to jump in. I'm still gonna wait. But I do see Apple. That was a nice pullback counter right there. You could have got an entry off of there, but it's only 9:35. We got time to see what the market is doing, find the trend, and we can join the trend. Let's see what happens. SPY pretty strong right here. Meta is pulling back. Tesla. All right. Look at NVIDIA selling off, man. NVIDIA had earnings yesterday. They were pretty decent earnings, but I think shareholders it's still not a oh shit, SPY strong. All right. Yeah, I think shareholders still are not not okay with the earnings report, so they're selling off a little bit. But let's see what happens here. See SPY going up, that 599 level right there. That's where we got rejected at yesterday. That 599 level right here, that purple level I got. I'm watching all that. If you do see me looking around, I do have two screens. I look around. I'm looking at other charts just to make sure we have a great entry. You know what I'm saying? We trying to get this money, baby. That's the main goal. Look at Meta. Meta just rejected. Tesla rejected. Tesla having a rough time, man. Microsoft highs. Oh man, I missed that right there. Shit. Damn, that was a nice ass pullback. I missed Microsoft. Shit. That was a nice pullback on Microsoft. Damn. That was an excellent pullback. Y'all see that pullback right there? Damn. Got right up above high of yesterday. Pulled back. There's your entry, right past that red counter right there. But I missed that one. It's okay. We'll find something else. SPY's weak a little bit right here. 9:37 on the clock. NVIDIA still weak. Meta just got rejected. Microsoft pulling back. Haven't took any entry yet, guys. I haven't took no entry yet. Still chilling. Being patient. Wait on the great setup. NVIDIA, boy. Shit, look at NVIDIA. Damn. We might have to jump in that. Shit, NVIDIA just selling off. Meta selling off. All right, y'all see we went up, came down. Microsoft got rejected. That was a great no entry. I'm glad we didn't enter nothing because we just reversed. Let's see if we can. God damn, I should have just jumped in the video. Fuck, that should just move $4 right there. It's all good. Amazon pulling back. See what happens right here. I like that QQQ right there. Still watching, guys. Still watching. Damn, I want to jump in this videos. I hope I can get a pullback. I'm trying to get a pullback. 9:40 on the clock. Got 5 minutes till we can check our ranges. The video will bring SPY down. Yeah, I was just thinking that. But you see, SPY just turned around right here at this open price level. All right, now it's getting under. You see what I'm saying? There it goes. If SPY get under this 595, it's time to get that money today, baby. If SPY get under 595 again. There we go. I'm glad I didn't take that Microsoft breakout. Damn, SPY. Oh, man. Look at that. I'm glad I didn't take that Microsoft right there. We would have been stopped out already. So it looks like the bears are in the market. Let's see if this 595 holds. We got $1 to go. Ooh, Meta. Meta dropped off. That's crazy. Meta kind of went up yesterday. Amazon dropping off. Apple pulling back. Next candle, let's see what this next candle does. If we get below 595, y'all already know what I'm loading up. SPY puts. 595. Damn, we falling off. Shit. All right. The bears are in the market. Look like we done found the trend for right now. See what happens here. 1 minute on this candle. Oh, we pushing. We pushing down. We pushing. Yes, sir. See what it does right here at this 595 level. AMD pulling back. I haven't got into anything. I'm gonna take an entry here. Give us a little minute. Let me make sure my levels are hitting, breaking. Same drop off from yesterday, guys. I told you that right around that 599 area, 598. That's where it dropped off yesterday. So, all right, yeah, we just need a pull back and we can take our entry. Look at that. Every stock is going down that I trade. I focus on about 8 stocks. All right, we pulling back a little bit. Let's see what this next candle does. 9:44 on the clock. Shit. All right. I'm gonna load up SPY puts. One minute for the ORB. Let's see. All right, it's 9:45. The hell? Watching SPY towards the downside. SPY, NVIDIA towards the downside. Tesla towards the downside. Amazon towards the downside. Google towards the downside. All right, let's go. See what happens. We're gonna pull back a little bit, I'm pretty sure. Damn, look at MU. I'm gonna load up Meta puts as well. Let's see what happens. $674. Meta 662.5 puts. See what happens here. All right, guys. I'm in Meta puts right now. Early entry, first entry. We broke ORB a little bit. Let's see if we can hold. If we go back up, past before this pullback candle right here, I'll get out. My stop loss is above this previous pullback candle. We up 2% right now. Let's see what happens. If it goes back in the ORB, hits the top of that candle, that previous candle, I will exit. I'm in Meta puts. We up 5% right now. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Come on, we need to break that pre-market low right there. Meta puts, we up 6% right now. There we go. 14%. There we go. 17%. Let's go. Let's go. Take a trim. I'm gonna take a trim right here. 18%. I took a trim right there. Let's go. Good call. Good call. I took a trim. I did take a trim. I took half contracts off. We're still sitting at 14% right now. Let's see what happens. Just kind of hot. I gotta turn this fan on. Let's go. We're still up 15%. SPY is about to break ORB in a minute. Still up 14% on Meta puts. Let's see what happens here. Back up 12%. There we go. There we go. SPY need to get below 595, and we're gonna go crazy. There it goes. Come on, SPY, get on down there. Still up 12%. There we go right there. Let's go. 20%. Meta, we in Meta puts right now. 20%. Let's go. $25. There we go. Drop down, drop down. There we go. There we go. 32%. I'm taking another trim right here. I'm only in runners now. We at 32%. Move my stop loss down to pre-market low right here. We'll let it pull back. Sitting at 22% right now. See if SPY goes back in range or comes back down. Let's see. Come on, SPY. All right, we went back in range right there. Let's see if this next candle can go. Still up 10% on my runners, Meta runners. So my stop loss right now is this ORB right here. I'll let it pull back. Let's see what happens. There we go. There we go. $18. There we go. Go ahead, drop past this low. There we go. Let's go. We need to get past this low right here. Go ahead. If you're going to go. SPY playing around. We up 29% right now on Meta. Meta puts. There goes SPY. Let's go. Come on, SPY. Break that low. Up 25%. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. 38%. Let's go. I'm gonna move my stop down to this candle right here. That candle that broke the ORB. We up 47% right now. Let's go. $44%. Hey, yeah, I was gonna tell you, I can get in SPY if you want to. SPY, you can get in SPY if you want to. It's 9:54 on the clock. I'm up 55%. Let's go, baby. Let it keep moving. 66%. Let's go. I'm gonna move my stop down to the bottom of this previous candle that just closed. I want to keep this shit green. I'm up 66%. Actually, I'm gonna move it right here. You just gotta trail your stop somewhere. Somehow, some way, somehow you want to trail your stop. I'm up 58% right now. My stop is right here where this line is. If you in, go ahead and get your money. Take your money. I'm telling you, take your money. The chart could go back up, but I'm gonna trail my stop on my runners. I already took money out. You know what I'm saying? I already took some money out. I'm trailing my stop for my runners. I'm up 66%. There we go. 67%. Let's go. 67% on Meta. 72%. This is how you hold your trade. This is how you hold your trade, guys. I'm going to take my 72% right there, guys. We'll find another entry. I'll take my 72% right down my runners. I'm good with that. Think about it. We used to give 20, 30, 40%. 70% right there. Meta puts 70%. Hell yeah. You caught SPY? Hell yeah. We'll catch something else though. It's only 9:55. That was just the first trade. We know which way we're going today. We know which direction we're in. We know it's a downtrend. We stand right below ORB. This is like, here's your money. Come get it. You know what I'm saying? It's what the market telling us right now. Here's your money. Come get it. 70% on Meta, guys. Y'all can't say I ain't been doing this shit, bro. Y'all cannot say I haven't been doing this shit. I'm gonna load up Tesla puts. 284. I'm gonna load up Tesla 272 puts. I want to find a pullback though. Damn, we moving. I took my 70% on Meta. I'm good. Shit, I'll watch until I find a pullback. Let's go, baby. This option trading shit, man. This life-changing money, man. Life-changing money, man. We literally get up, press buttons, and we make money every day, bro. You can't beat this, man. No boss. Do what you want to do. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody telling me what to do. That's how we do this shit, man. I should have gotten Tesla, man. I want to retest. Let's wait on the retest. Let's just play it smart. Let's play it smart. Damn, that was a good trade. Good ass trade. We could have held a little bit more, but 70%, you got to take that, man. 9:57 on the clock. I like this Amazon too. Damn, I should have got in right there on Amazon. Shit. All right, guys. I took an entry on Amazon puts. I'll scalp this right quick. My stop loss is above pre-market low right here. Or the lower yesterday, my bad. Stop loss is the lower yesterday. I'm in light. Let's see what happens right here. I'm gonna go ahead and move to the 5-minute chart. I'm still in Amazon puts. Stop loss is that yesterday's low right there. You don't have to get in with me. I'm just trying to see. 10 o'clock bottom, maybe. We could be. If we hit this line right here, I will exit. I'm just keeping my stop loss tight. It was a fast entry. You didn't have to take it if you didn't want to. I just seen a pullback. $9:59 on the clock. Let's see what happens. I'm only down 12% right now. You don't have to take this entry, guys. You don't have to take this entry. I just seen a retest, a quick retest. About to be 10 o'clock. I'm going to go ahead and move to the 5-minute charts. Stop loss still the same. Let's go. See if we can keep pulling back a little bit. There we go. There we go. Moving to the 5-minute chart, guys. 5-minute chart. I'm up 3% on Amazon. There we go. 6% on Amazon. We might bounce back a little bit because this right here is a strong trend line right here on spot. We had 7% on Amazon, but I don't like my entry. I'm gonna get out of Amazon and I'm gonna find another entry. I want to pull back on this 5-minute chart. I'm gonna take my 7%. I had a bad entry. You got to know how you trade. I know my entries. I could have stayed in there, but we trying to stay green, baby. We ain't trying to lose no money. We just hit 70% on Meta. I want a better entry. I'm sorry, my bad. You can stay in if you want to. I just wanted a better entry because we could be over here at the bottom tick. I wouldn't be surprised. Damn, boy. Look at Meta. That bitch kept going. Ooh, spot. Everything sunk under the ORB. Yeah, everything did. You see why I get in right when that ORB closed, that candle closes? I ain't gonna lie, I made a lot of money off Meta. I don't even want to trade. I want to keep my money, to be honest. Shit. Look, see me bouncing back at this line, this trend line right here. That's why I jumped out of Amazon. We was up 7%, but trust me, I've seen shit like this before. And people get in too late and you lose your money. You know what I'm saying? Don't get trigger happy. See how I had to catch myself to not get trigger happy. That ORB is clutch, man. I'm telling y'all, if y'all don't know how to trade, you don't even need no indicators. You don't need levels. You can just watch the ORB. If you're a new trader, I would tell you to watch the ORB. Soon as the ORB break, you're gonna get that money. And all the ORB is these pink levels right here. All the ORB is the top and the bottom of a 15-minute candle. This is the secret that the gurus won't tell you. All the ORB, open range breakout. Y'all know I don't care. I'll give y'all all the information. I don't give a damn. I want y'all to go make money. Shit. The top and the bottom of a 15-minute candle. So once we break the top and the bottom of a 15-minute candle, what I do, that's what I'm looking at on these other screens. I go down to the 5-minute or the 2-minute. I wait until I see a candle close under the ORB, and then that's when I enter, or I wait on a pullback. This is just trading the ORB. This is not trading the trend. This is just when you trade the ORB. But hey, man, y'all take it or leave it, man. I'm telling you, that ORB is clutch. It's very clutch. Look at that pullback. Look. That's a great example right here. Look at MU. This is the open range breakout, 15 minutes. Let's see. All right, top and the bottom of a 15-minute candle. All right, let's go down to the 5-minute. We got a pullback at the ORB, and we flushed. You could have got in right after pullback, right when we broke, flush. So usually when the ORB breaks, I take my entry, light entry. When I say I'm light, I'll take it just when it breaks. When I see we're holding it, then I'll add. That's how I do the ORB. I don't say it, but I don't say it because I don't want to confuse you guys. But that's how I play the ORB. I'm glad I exited Amazon because look, SPY bouncing back. I didn't see SPY. You see what I'm doing? See what I'm saying? I didn't see SPY, that trend line right there. But if we hold right here, I'm pretty sure we'll drop off. But we could be reversing. Eric might be right. We could be reversing. Can you show me again how to set up your ORB on TradingView? Of course. Give me 1 second. All right. We're gonna let's use what we just fucking made money on. Shit, why not? So here's the ORB right here. All you're gonna do is go up here to indicators. Indicators. Y'all better listen up. Go to indicators. Once you get to your indicator, you see I have all mine saved already. Type in ORB in the search bar. You want to type in the one that says ZZZ crypto. I'm giving y'all some game right here. I didn't find this shit right here till I was almost a year in trading. And I'm going to give y'all this shit right now. ORB. You want to click that, open range breakout. I already got it on my chart, so I'm not going to click it. But once you click it, it'll go on your chart. Go to your indicators. You see ORB right here. Let me know if I'm going too fast. You'll see ORB right here. You want to go to settings. All right, now we at the settings page. Let me go back. Inputs. You want to put 15 minute because you want the top and the bottom of a 15-minute candle. This shit gonna change your life, bro. I'm telling you. Session time, you want to put 9:30 to 9:45. That's why you don't see me getting in the trades after 9:45 because I'm waiting for the ORB to break out. When I'm looking at these other screens, this is what I'm waiting for. You know what I'm saying? 9:30 to 9:45. Style, I have the pink line. You see my pink line that break. I like to keep mine pink because I like bright colors. Bright colors stand out to me, and I can see if a level is breaking it. That's the only reason I got it a pink color. You can put any color you want, though. Right here, you can put it as a dotted line, a single line, whatever you want. All right, visibility. Visibility. You want to leave, all you want to leave is ticks and minutes checked. Uncheck all this shit. You don't need that. Uncheck ranges, months, weeks, days, hours. Uncheck seconds. You want to put 15-minute right here. And the one right there. The one should already be there. But put the 15-minute right here. If y'all missed that, go back a little bit. That's what you want to do to use that ORB. So, soon as the ORB breaks out, you should have it set up on your chart now. Soon as it breaks out, you want to use the 15-minute to see which 15-minute candle. But also, if you go to the 5-minute, it'll still show you the ORB. You know what I'm saying? I go to the 2-minute. It'll still show me the ORB, the 15-minute ORB from the 15. You see that? Damn, I'm giving y'all some fucking game, bro. Y'all better write this down. So you see how right here, the ORB, this is the top of the ORB, this is the bottom of the ORB, open range breakout. I seen we pulled back right here by the ORB, but I already seen bearish pressure from the top. You know what I'm saying? So we pulled back. I'm definitely going to take my entry right here. So all I'm doing right now is using the same concept we've been using, the pullback entry. I'm just using it with the ORB. I'm letting it go down to the ORB, it pulling back. So once it broke the ORB, that's when I entered. And we got 70%. You see what I'm saying? So you want to use the ORB, the 15-minute, to, look, have a bigger picture of everything. Then you want to go down to the 5-minute or the 2-minute. Like I said, we use the 2-minute the first 30 minutes. We use the 5-minute the next hour, 10 to 11. If I trade after 11, I use the 10-minute chart. But I don't trade that much after 11 a.m. So you want to use the 2 and the 5 minutes for your entry. You know what I'm saying? So if you was on the 2 minute right now, that's when I enter that. You could also enter if it breaks. You want to be more cautious, wait till the ORB breaks. Wait till you see it come back up. Wait till you see a candle come back up and get rejected. That's the retest. Come back up, get rejected. You can get in right after the rejection and just ride the wave down. Stop loss is ORB, or stop loss is the last pullback candle. I use my stop. I play my stop loss a little bit more. I put it right here inside the ORB just so if we still continue going down. Now, another trick I'm gonna give y'all. No cap. Another trick I'm gonna give y'all. I'm gonna give y'all some gain today. I don't even care about them stocks. We made our money. Oh shit, we pulling back though. All right, I'm gonna go back to the stocks in a minute. Hold up. Another trick I'm gonna show y'all right quick. Another trick I'm finna show you. I wish I had a chart, but I'll just show you real quick. When you in the open range breakout, right? Say, let me see if I can find a fake out. I need to find a fake out. Damn, we ain't had no fake out because we've been having some good trading days. Like right here, look at this. This is the open range breakout for Friday the 21st. You see, I just went to a random stock. I don't care. I just went to a random stock. This shit works on every stock. You know what I'm saying? So you see in the open range breakout, right? Was that Friday? I just moved the damn chart. What was that? Friday the what? The 21st, I think. Yeah, right here. All right, so you see the open range right here. This is the 15-minute count. I'm gonna show you on the 15-minute real quick. This is the open of the 15-minute. So the first 15-minute, you see we didn't break the range. If we was to go up and tap the top of the range and you see we can't get past the top of the range, you know what you can do right there? Puts. Because you know if it can't get above the top of the range, go in puts. If you know we're getting rejected, this is more advanced. If you know we're getting rejected, go in for puts soon as we can't get above the open range and ride that bitch all the way down to the bottom of the range. Take profits right here. If it gets below the range, like it went back down, retested the open range, just hold that shit. Look at all that money right there. Just hold it. You see what I'm saying? All right, that's my spiel for today. That's my lesson for today. Let me get off of that. Oh, we retesting. Oh shit. We retesting. We retesting, guys. Let's see what we can do right here. 510. QQQ. Oh, QQQ bounced off that trend line. It's a strong trend line sitting under. I want to get below the trend line before I take any other entry. Oh yeah, class wasn't. Hey man, yeah. Hey, I'm telling you, what I just told y'all. I'm telling you, you can keep this shit with you throughout your trading career. That shit works. Trust me, I've back tested it plenty of times. I'm telling you, you get life-changing money with that ORB. When they break the ORB at the bottom, let that bitch ride. Let that bitch ride. The video is perfect retest now. Okay. I'm over here talking. Man, I got these old ass levels. I put these levels on this chart. Like, you know what I'm finna do? My shit's still fucking up. All right, you see that pullback? I don't like. That's a strong pullback. I don't like how strong that was. That's a strong pullback on SPY right there. You see that? Now, this could be the retest of the ORB, just like I just told y'all. This is the retest of the ORB on the video. Look at that. Got the two pink lines right there. Right there and right there. We went down, broke ORB. Now we're coming back up to retest. Now, if we break back under, I like these QQQ puts over here. I ain't gonna lie. But it's sitting right under a strong trend line. QQQ is. Also, a big move like this, we would get a 2-leg pullback. If we don't break high, we're gonna take it. We're gonna take out today's low. Yeah. So all he's saying is if we pull back and we don't really get back up here into where we open, we're gonna go back down. So any market that trends, Eric know this, any market that trends, we gotta pull back. If you're running a marathon, you need a break. You know what I'm saying? If you're playing basketball, you need to come out. You need a sub. Any trend needs a break. So the break is the pullback. Think about it like this. If you really want to see what happens in a pullback, look at this shit right here. Go to the line chart. See how we going down? What would that be right there? See how we going down? What would that be going up right there? You can also do it that way. Get on the line chart. That's a little advanced also, but I don't even increment none of that because I don't want to confuse y'all. I ain't gonna do you like that. I'm gonna load up NVIDIA puts though. If we break below this pullback candle, I'll take an entry. NVIDIA puts 128. Oh, they're kind of cheap too, so you can really choose any contract that's almost in the money. If NVIDIA gets back down right here, this lower break, this last pullback candle, I'll take an entry. Excuse me. Look like SPY going back up in the range though. But y'all see, that's why I get in my trades and get out. You don't have to overstay your welcome, man. Get in, get out. Look at that meta. If we would have still been sitting in the middle, I've been talking about some stop loss pre-market low. We would have been stopped out by now. This is why I get my money and get out. 70%, you can't beat that. Now tomorrow, 0DTE, that's when we gonna get that money. If it goes above the bottom of ORB, it's a no-go. You're exactly correct. If it goes back into ORB, the downtrend is over with. You want to wait on some other confirmation. Man, I'll be giving y'all some game on the low. I paid for all my training, mentors, all that shit. I did all that. I don't care about giving y'all the game. Shit. We all need to make this bread. Think about it. Each stock I trade is like $1 trillion company. They ain't worrying about me and they stock trading that. That's why they open up to the public. It's a free stock you can trade to the public. You know what I'm saying? These are $1 trillion companies. They ain't worried about my couple thousand or a couple hundred or even goddamn some people making millions out of the market. That ain't nothing to them still. That's nothing to them. I like this in the video right here. Let's see what happens. It's 10:17 on the clock. Johnny Holden, what it do? No problem. No problem. And we always dropping game like this, baby. Yeah, they don't care about the crumbs we getting off the table. So don't. Think about it. These hedge funds are moving millions, $1 trillion a day. They probably moving millions a minute. What we doing is nothing. I'm gonna load up in the video 127 puts. If we pass this counter right here, I'll take an entry. Stop loss is the top of ORB. The video puts loaded up. I'm gonna take a light entry because I don't like how SPY is going back in the range. Y'all see that? But SPY might tap ORB2. If SPY taps ORB2 and gets rejected, that's another confirmation that we'll probably keep going down a little bit. So when I be like, I'm gonna take a quick scalp, it's probably because we ain't really pulled all the way back, haven't tapped ORB, and I just want to get some money up out of it. But I'm watching this in the video right here. Downtrend, pull back. Nice looking chart. I don't like how SPY going back up so far though. All right, NVIDIA. I'm about to take my entry on the video. Let's see if we can pad this candle. I am in light, guys. Just want to keep my shit green. SPY not getting rejected though. All right, I took an entry, a starter entry on the video puts. Just a starter entry. Stop loss is top of pre-market high, right? Pre-market low right here. Just a starter entry. Want to see what happens here. It looks like SPY about to go back in the range, but hopefully we reject right there. If we get stopped out, we just get stopped out, guys. You know what I'm saying? Every trade ain't a winning trade, but we shoot for the wins. You know what I mean? Sitting at break even right now. 5% on the video. See if we can pull back a little bit more. There we go. That's just a break and retest. SPY going back up in the range. Y'all see that? I wouldn't be surprised if we probably get stopped out a little bit. We need to drop down. We need SPY to retest that ORB. Stop loss is above the lower ORB or pre-market low right here. That's my stop loss. We need SPY to break back down. We don't want to break back down. All right, there goes NVIDIA. We need to get back under that 9 EMA right here. We're sitting up 2%. Not too much. I'm probably is gonna scalp this. I don't like how far the SPY just moved back up. I don't like that. We up 6% though. All right, there goes SPY rejecting. SPY just retested ORB. Let's see if we can get below these levels real quick. We up 13%. Damn. NVIDIA contract's moving. Ooh. Yeah, it's playing around a little bit. See if it gets rejected again. We up 2%. I don't like how we going back up. SMA off the ORB. If we pull back, make it higher low, might be calls. Yeah, we probably are going to reverse right here. Yeah, I don't like that. You see that? We retesting ORB, going back into ORB on SPY. That's why I keep my stop loss tight, and that's why I go in light first. You know what I'm saying? So if you lose, you're not losing all your games. You know what I'm saying? We down 11% right now. Stop loss is this ORB right here, or this pre-market low, that level. Down 16% right now. If we get back up above ORB, I'll take my L. Down 18% right now. I'm in light. We just trading the setup. Got to be comfortable. You just trade your setup. Test the retesting. Only down 21%. See what happens right here. See if we get rejected. Little rejection. We don't need SPY to go back up if we're going to continue the downtrend. Yeah, we're going back up a little bit. Probably about to exit this shit. Down 23%. Getting rejected a little bit. We're only down 16% now. All right, y'all see we got rejected right there. Let's see what happens here. We're only down 13% right now. It's retesting at 595 level. SPY is. Let me see what QQQ doing right now. QQQ retested ORB also. Let's see what this next candle does. Got a red candle. Probably gonna play around that 595, man. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Probably gonna play around that 595 right there. We only down 5% right now. No cap, I don't even like these wicks right here. I'm probably about to stop out break even. You just gotta know, how you trade, you gotta know what you see, you gotta know your setups, you gotta know what. You gotta know your setup, man. SPY not losing it. SPY's right back up to that 595. So let's see. I'm still in. I'm down 9% right now. QQQ tapped ORB, retested ORB. Only down 2% right now. If you're afraid, you can exit. You can exit, guys. If you're afraid, I know how it be. I know when you be nervous in a trade. Hey, I'm human too. If you feel like you don't want to lose no money, you can get out. We sitting right at 2% right now. Three minutes on this candle. Let's see what happens. All right, we breaking down a little bit. What is this, NVIDIA? NVIDIA. Oh, NVIDIA sitting right by a range, a little range, at 127 level. NVIDIA don't want to go. All right, we up 5% again. Take your money if you scared, man. Get out if you scared. Shit look like I need to get out. This shit ain't moving. But no reason to get out right now. I really haven't hit my stop loss like that. We got wicked off. SPY just playing around right now. Sitting right back at break even. I don't want to hear nobody say I lost. You got plenty of chances to get out if you're scared now. Down 5%. Come on, NVIDIA. Drop off for me. Let me get a 15%. I'll get out. Call it a day, NVIDIA. You can give us 15%. Yeah, we probably gonna chop right around here. Down 10% right now. Down down 8% right now. Keep getting rejected. 50 seconds on this candle. Only down 5% right now. All right, we only down 5%. I'm gonna exit right here. I'll take my small couple dollar loss. I'll take my 8% loss right here. I just don't like how it's forming up. I'll wait on it to drop off, see if I can get an entry. And it's 10:30. Y'all know I don't like being in a trade too much after 10:30 unless it's a perfect setup for me. You know what I'm saying? But we hit 70% on Meta. Y'all seen that Meta trade? Look at the video. Now I want to go. You can stay in if you want to. I'm gonna exit. But yeah, man, we did it on a 2 minute. Look at this shit right here. Now I want to drop. It's all good. I know how I trade. Oh, so I had already broke down that trade. Same thing that happened, man. We came down. I waited for ORB to break out. ORB broke out. I took the pullback right at ORB, and we got 70% out of Meta right there. That was our first. That was our only trade. Second trade, we kind of almost broke even a little bit, but we lost 8% on Nvidia. Small loss, just because I didn't like how spot was going back in the range. I feel like it was going to sit there in range all day, so it probably is going to range, but it's all good. We made our big money on Meta. I ain't gonna cap. Actually, a great day. One of my biggest days this week on Meta. Not gonna cap, but uh, that's it for today, man. That's it for this trading session today, man. I'm gonna take it easy. Oh shit! All right. Damn. Now I want to go. All right, man. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day, man. If y'all's trading, man, keep y'all risk tight. Keep y'all risk intact. Don't give away your gains, man. We're gonna be back tomorrow. Tomorrow, Friday, 0 DTE. We're gonna see what happens tomorrow. Y'all take it easy. Y'all have a great day.